Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, your premier source for the latest electric vehicle news and updates. Today, we're taking a closer look at New York's bold move to boost EV sales by investing $30 million in charging infrastructure. Governor Kathy Hochul announced this ambitious plan on April 18th, aiming to make clean transportation more accessible and affordable across the state. The funding will be split between two key programs, Drive Clean Rebate and Charge Ready NY2. Let's dive into the details. Through the Drive Clean Rebate program, consumers purchasing or leasing new EVs can receive point-of-sale rebates of up to $2,000. This rebate is available in all 62 counties, covering more than 60 EV models. According to NYSERDA, this program has already issued over 190,000 rebates, supporting the growth of over 280,000 EVs on New York roads. But it's not just about consumers. We're also seeing significant investments in public charging infrastructure. Charge Ready NY2 is a crucial part of this effort, providing incentives for installing EV chargers at multifamily residences, workplaces, and hotels. Eligible locations can now receive up to $3,000 per charging port, with an additional $1,000 for disadvantaged communities defined by the state's Climate Justice Working Group. The results are already impressive. Charge Ready NY2 has backed the installation of more than 1,000 Level 2 chargers in just 1 year. This kind of growth is crucial for building a cleaner future and reducing emissions. So what does this mean for New York residents? It means that with these investments, consumers can stay within their budget when purchasing or leasing an EV, and employers can provide convenient charging options for their employees. And as Governor Hochul said, these investments are key to building a cleaner future, lowering emissions, and creating good-paying jobs. That's all for today's episode of Electro Drive News. Stay tuned for more updates on the electric vehicle revolution and the exciting innovations shaping our transportation landscape.